Hello, in this video I'm gonna do a short unboxing of OnePlus Nord for 5G. So over here I have the box and everything inside over here, so we will check all the accessories that we get when we purchase this device. So let's open the box. There we go. Over here on this side we have nothing, but on this side we have the paper box. We can take it out immediately, but first we're gonna move to the device, which is over here. Let's take it out. There we go. And we're gonna move to the device in a short while. I'm gonna place it over here for now, and over here we have nothing else left, so let's put this to the side one more time. There we go. And let's check the paper box. So let's open it and let's find out what we can find inside. Over here we can immediately see the cable, the USB cable. So we have the USB cable, and on one side we have USB-C, so this is the side that we input into the device, and over here we also have the USB-A. So this one is used, for instance, to connect to PC or to the charging adapter as well. Of course, we have the pin for the SIM tray. We have some papers, of course. Oh, we even have the card, Red Cable Club. That's pretty interesting. Of course, we have the quick guide. We have seems to be a thank you note. Pretty cool, pretty unique. Oh yeah, right over here it says the membership card. Really great. And of course we also have the safety guide, but besides that there is nothing else left. So unfortunately there is no charger in this case. We cannot find the charger, we only get the USB cable, which seems to be a pretty standard thing nowadays. Alright, so now that we have everything covered, we're gonna take out the device. So let's try to take it out. There we go. This is how the device looks like at the front and at the back. It looks pretty solid, not gonna lie. So we have two cameras and even two flashlights apparently, or it seems so. At the top we have something that seems to be the IR blaster, although I would have to check if that's actually the IR blaster. And yeah, so I just quickly checked, and yes, this is the IR blaster over here. There seems to be I don't know what this exactly is, but we also have a little hole over here. On the right side, of course, we have three buttons. We have the volume up and down and the power button. And on the left side, we also have something over here that can be moved up and down. There we go. So according to the quick guide, this is the alert slider. So it seems to be working for alerts. Over here we can turn them on or off apparently. So to be precise, if the alert slider is at the top, then it is the silent mode. If it's in the middle, then it is in the vibrate mode. And if it's at the bottom, then we have the ring mode, where everything should be working normally. And of course, at the bottom of the device, we have the SIM tray. We can open the SIM tray over here. We have the USB-C input, and of course, the speaker. And this is pretty much it. This is the summary of OnePlus Nord for 5G. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.